Alright, so for today, we're going to be doing a short update video, guys. It has been months since we last did this. Actually, yeah, went into maybe a break for some time. So I guess for those who's, old viewers of the channel, you guys can see that sometimes I do that kind of breaks. And of course, I come back. So here I am again. And usually after I come back, I try out something new, and that is usually the cycle that goes in the channel, and I improve the channel as well. So I think before when I came back, I did a rebrand of the channel, which made it I guess better in terms of the look. But now actually with this new cycle, we actually have several things that we did, but the major thing is the website. So we actually have zpolt.com. Has been a long time since we had that, but yeah, before it was just kind of a placeholder for me. So I put some articles here and there, but I wasn't able to really invest time on it because yeah, it takes a lot of time to manage a website, and I already have my hands full on the YouTube channel. But recently I got interested in fixing it because I'm actually doing other things other than YouTube. I'm making some websites in my game development brands. So maybe I'm gonna talk about that in the future. But that got me excited to fix my own zpolt.com website. So I'm in the process of fixing it, and you can actually visit it. It's down below. But basically upgraded the whole thing. I changed the theme, and I'm gonna do real maybe written reviews. I think for some people here in the channel, you already have seen that. We have some written reviews on some of the IEMs now in the channel. So actually, before I always do written reviews, but it's just in my local drive. So it's just maybe to help me or guide me in the video review process. But now I thought of maybe what if I release it. So I'm still weighing my time if I can do for all the IEMs. But for most IEMs that I have time on, of course, I'm going to do the written review apart from the video review. So I'm still working on that, the workflow of that, because that's a different workflow compared to just focusing on video. That's going to be the process now. Yeah, video with a written review, and in the written review you will see there maybe a bit more detail stuff, like the measurements will be there, the actual JPEGs or images of the measurements will be there, so for your consumption. I also plan to maybe put the raw sound test there, so just to give you guys more information about that if you want to listen to the full thing. That can be also the place where I can put it. So again, I'm not sure if I can do the sound test for all IEMs. I'm still weighing my time because yeah, I'm still doing things other than YouTube. I'm trying my best to maximize the time that I have. Sometimes, like for me personally, I don't have time for a video review, especially when I'm outside. So the written review might help you in that scenarios. Maybe you want to check quickly if what number or rating is a certain IEM, because I also put some star system in each review, so it might you might see it quickly that is it a recommended IEM, is it not a recommended IEM, how many stars and stuff like that. So everything will be there first glance, so that's nice. Actually, when I was trying to, I'm still studying it because yeah, I'm not really a web developer, but I always like to study. So I'm studying how to do SEO, how to display the stars in the Google search, and yeah, just making the site more presentable and easily digestible as well, and also Google searchable. So I'm doing a lot of those things. I'm still trying to figure things out, solve problems here and there, but I think yeah, we have something moving now, which is good. But yeah, it's gonna be maybe a complementary to the YouTube video. So the YouTube video will still be maybe the first one to release, and then after that will be the text review. And also I plan to do some top fives there. So yeah, I actually have top fives in the description, and it can be quite long. So I can have just the website. So I can also update it quickly. So yeah, before when I'm updating top 5, I'm updating the description, and that can be hard to do. So I will just have a website and I can just update it in one go, and that might be easier for me as well to keep on updating it if there's a new item that comes out. So there's gonna be listicles there. So the top fives for each maybe price ranges, price points, $20 to $30, $40, $50. So I'm thinking like there might be a chance that for some scenarios, the website will have the update first before a video, because yeah, I mean, updating a website is a lot easier compared to making a full blown video. So for videos, you need to maybe come up with a lot of things. It's a whole process of writing, shooting, b-rolls, editing, yeah, a lot of those things. But compared to me just updating a certain entry in a listicle article, that can be really really fast. So it might improve my speed as well of delivering content to you guys. So that's an interesting maybe tangent to my site, to give more information about the IEMs that I'm reviewing here in the channel. So that can be quite interesting. So yeah, top fives, and also the ETC earphone top charts, it might be there. So I am planning that maybe the most updated would be the article and the website, and then after that I will do a video. So maybe a couple of months, I will do an update video on the top five, just to have a video format of that. So yeah, we're still gonna try to weigh that here and there, but yeah, the top fives will be in the website. Just additional story time. When I tried to, I'm not really a writer, okay? So I'm still trying this out. I'm still trying to get rid of my mistakes and typing and writing and stuff. But actually, when I typed and I made the article, it's actually quite fun. I find it fun that I can make some content. I'm just sitting in a coffee shop and I can make some content, compared to maybe making YouTube videos that I need my whole studio, shooting B-rolls and stuff like that. So before I make something, I need to do that, and now I can make just an article anywhere. So that's nice. So I can maybe deliver the content faster in that regard, and that's that. And yeah, I mean, I actually enjoyed writing as well. Maybe there are times that it's easier for me to write, especially I mean, when you're shooting a video, you need to be in a certain maybe sharpness level. So sometimes, especially like after work maybe, so you're not as sharp, you're a bit tired, so it's gonna be harder to shoot. So in those times, having that website, I can still deliver the content to you guys. That might be really cool. Yeah, for the sound test, I have heard of some people in the comments, where are the sound tests. I will do them. So I actually plan to again, I'm trying to balance my time here, but I actually plan to do maybe a sound test after maybe 3 reviews or 4 reviews, and then I put them to one. So I need to juggle my time there. So I'm still trying to figure that out. So that's why recently I'm trying to maybe do a review bulk of a certain price range, so I can put them together. Like for example, $30 price range, like for the T1S, for the Tangem Ola, and maybe the Moondrop Chew. So I will review the 3 of them first, and then I will put them in one sound test. So yeah, it might be more efficient for me to do that. Still, you can see the difference in sound signature, and that would be nice because they're all updated IEMs anyways. So you would like to hear the difference between them, and maybe I'm gonna put one favorite there, maybe the Moondrop Spaceship. So something like that. I will do a bulk sound test. I do bulk anyway, so it's 5 IEMs in one. So in one sound test. So it's not gonna be that different, but it's gonna be just there will be maybe less releases of the sound test, but I will still try to deliver all the sound tests for all IEMs, but yeah, put into one. But there will be sound tests, of course. And yeah, I also plan to put the sound test maybe in my website, in maybe a SoundCloud. So if you have some suggestions on maybe a site that I can put it where it's gonna be better quality than YouTube, let me know if you have some suggestions. Of course, yeah, my sound test is just for to give you an idea on how this sounds like. It's not gonna be accurate, but at least it gives you an idea on how the IEM sounds like. That might be good for some people, especially those buying online. That might be good. So as supplementary, again, content for you guys. And I plan to putting it in the website will give me it will be more organized, let's say, because I also can put it in my YouTube channel, but it's gonna be messy, really messy. So actually, sound test, putting a sound test in after every video is already quite tasking for me to manage. As you can see, I'm still trying things out. So we're trying to improve the channel, improvements here and there. Hopefully you can see the improvement, even though the background is improving. So that is what I always do in the channel. I just iterating, keep on improving the channel every single video. So that has been my way of doing things for the past 4 years. So that's why I always tell you guys that if you have some suggestions on how to improve the content, let me know down in the comments below. So because I check them out, and I try to do them as much as I can. So that is my way of improving the channel. So, and I think it is improving. So hopefully it is. Let me know if it is. Right, so that's it for our update today. Hopefully you enjoyed the update. So this is just a story time talk, not much b-rolls. Hopefully this is still interesting. Of course, if you have some suggestions on what to do, let me know down in the comments below. Have you visited the website? What do you think of the design? Let me know down in the comments below as well. Is it fast? Is it loading nicely on your devices? So I'm still fixing that. Let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.